Further science began to take time travel seriously in 1980s. In 1990, Russian physicist Igor Novikov and American physicist Kip Thorne together started research on concept of closed time-like curves given by Fabio Costa. Mainly, they investigated the problems with time travel. For example, they tested that if you tossed a billiard ball into a time machine and the ball moved to its past and suddenly collides with its past form, well, it means that it will never return to its present form again. That looks like a paradox. There were many problems associated with time travel. Will time travel be possible? Further, we will look at some hindrances in way of implementing time travel in real. Going into the problems associated with time travel, the first problem was that most time travel models require negative mass and hence also negative energy. This is because in accordance to Einstein equation MC mass and energy are same. And no one ever found an example of a negative mass. Without negative mass, the gravity will collapse the time travel tunnel. Challenging this concept, scientists Mallary and Khanna came to prove this statement wrong. They moved forward and came up with a theoretical time machine that did not require a negative mass. According to Mallary, he assumed two cars parallel and made of matter. If you leave one part and zoom other with extreme acceleration time, like curve forms between them. From 1900 seconds till now, no major breakthrough has made in this field.